AI cannot replace your soft skills, teamwork, leadership, communication with stakeholders, communication with your peers, your colleagues in the future. These are things that AI cannot do.
There is a saying that if you have the hard skills, you can actually show what you can do. But it is the soft skills that will determine how far you can go. Without hard skills and you just rely on your soft skills, it's going to be very difficult to convince your future employers for sure. On the contrary, if you have only hard skills, and that's so far, so much you can do with what you know. It is the soft skills which will then propel you to go much more further.
So, for example, if you're coming from JC, sometimes even just doing class part seems like a very difficult challenge, right? Because you have to suddenly talk to people a lot more than you're used to in the class environment in JC. So I think just if it makes you feel uncomfortable, then tell yourself that you're on the right track.
How do you overcome this fear of failure so that you would be willing to try new things?
I have failed a lot of times, but it's really because I don't see them as failures, I do see them as experiences. In my family, our philosophy is it's not a matter of when you will fail, because you will fail in life. What matters most is how you respond when you fail. Yeah, that's our philosophy.
I want to say that uni is actually the best time for you to fail. When you go out and work, the risks are going to be much higher. Yeah. So this you can sort of treat uni as like a playground, right? Where you can try out many different things. It's like what Ashik mentioned, like different CCAs. There are so many different things for you to try out, different events that you can participate in.
I think the best thing about uni is that it's split into semesters. So every semester feels like a fresh start. So one of the things that I always just tell myself is that there's always a next semester.
Another thing also is to know more about yourself, learn about yourself, learn what study method works the best for you, how you learn or how you work the most efficiently, most effectively. I think that has helped me a lot.
So I think it's very important for university students to acquire the necessary skill sets. Skill sets to learn how to learn. There's a lot of literature out there that talks about brain science and how to leverage on brain science to be more effective in learning.
And the university is a place where you have a gathering of the most number of experts in a lot of areas. Okay, if you just pass the university, you should actually, in 4 years, you should take this opportunity to interact with all the very smart people, all experts in various areas, and learn from them. You pay your ticket to come in here and make a good use of it.